Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see alkenes. Now, alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons having general formula CnH2n. Here, unsaturated means consist carbon-carbon double bonds. Now, hybridization in alkene is sp2. Next, we will see here नॉमेनक्लेचर का एक सेपरेट वीडियो होगा, एक सेपरेट लेक्चर होगा, उसमें हम नॉमेनक्लेचर देखने वाले हैं पूरा अल्किन का। फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज जो होंगी वो सिमिलर टू अल्केन, उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इन द अल्किन। फर्स्ट, लैबोरेटरी प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्किन। लैबोरेटरी प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्किन, देयर इज number A, by elimination reaction. Number 1, dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation, that is हाइड्रो का मतलब होता है H एंड हेलोजन का मतलब होता है X, दैट इज डीहाइड्रोहेलोजन। हमें यहाँ से HX रिमूव करना है फ्रॉम, कहाँ से, अल्किल हलाइड से। So, alkyl halide on treatment with strong base like alcoholic KOH or sodamide undergo beta elimination to give alkene. Now see the example: 1-bromopropane, it is a CH3 CH2. Here it is a CH2 and Br। तो आपको अच्छे से चीजें क्लियर हो जाए इसलिए स्ट्रक्चर इसका ओपन करके हमने लिखा है। सो यू कैन राइट इट इज CH3 CH2 CH2 एंड Br। यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस, बट आपको ये अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए इसलिए ओपन करके एंड इसको कलर से भी हमने दिखाया है कि कौन सा हाइड्रोजन एलिमिनेट होगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। 1-bromopropane on treatment with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Now there is a beta elimination, undergo beta elimination. So here now this carbon is attached to halogen atom, therefore it is a alpha carbon, and next this carbon is a beta carbon, this one the next beta carbon। तो यहाँ से बीटा हाइड्रोजन से एक हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होगा, therefore it is called as a elimination, beta elimination। So in presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide, now there is a beta elimination like this here, minus HBr, minus HBr। So CS3 will be as it is. Now HBr will be removed from the reaction mixture. Now what happens? This bond and this bond is broken, and in this two carbons there is a formation of, between these two carbons there is a formation of double bond. Therefore what is the product? It is CH3 CH double bond Ca CH and H, therefore it is called, it is a propene. Now 1-bromopropane on treatment with alcoholic potassium hydroxide gives what? Propene. Now here if we take here aqueous KOH, aqueous AQ KOH, there is a difference between alcoholic potassium hydroxide and aqueous potassium hydroxide. When we take this aqueous, then there is a what? Substitution and not elimination. Remember, it is a very important point, that is whenever there is a alcoholic potassium hydroxide, then there is a beta elimination takes place. Whenever there is a aqueous potassium hydroxide, now there is a here it is a substitution reaction, that is OH Br is replaced by this hydroxyl group, that is here the product will be what? The product, instead of propene, the product will be a propanol, that is 1-propanol. If we add here sodium hydroxide at the bromine, then therefore there is a formation of what? Propanol instead of propene. Now this is the difference between aqueous and a alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Therefore we have to take this alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Now let's see the next example. Here 2-bromobutane. Here now 2-bromobutane. Here it is CH2, यहाँ पे CH3, ये CHBr, CH2 and it is a CS3. Therefore I have write this structure. ये जो आपको स्ट्रक्चर मैंने दिया ये ओपन करके आपको स्ट्रक्चर दिया है, चीजें अच्छे से आपको क्लियर हो जाए इसलिए. Therefore 2-bromobutane. See here it is a 2-bromo CH3CH Br CH2 and CH3. Therefore it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2-bromobutane. Now see here this is a alpha carbon. Now there are beta on the both side there are two hydrogen atoms. So therefore this is a secondary and this one is a primary hydrogen atom. Therefore these protons or these hydrogens are different. Now we can write it is either it is a beta dash and this one is a beta. So therefore we will consider this one is a beta. Now what happens in presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide? Already we know that there is a beta elimination. Means what? We have to replace that is one adjacent hydrogen atom. Then if we replace beta dash HBr minus HBr, that is beta dash. So what happens? So now there is a hydrogen and this bromine will replace, and here it is a formation of double bond, carbon carbon double bond. Now what happens? It is a CH2 CH, this hydrogen as it is, and all the remaining will be remains as it is, that is CS2 and it is a CS3. Now see here we have replaced this HBr and all other remains as it is. Therefore it is CS2 CH and here it is a CS2 and CS3. It is a one butene, 1 2 3 4. It is a one butene. Now there is another possibility. Now there is another possibility. The beta elimination takes place from this side, that is beta minus HBr, minus HBr from this side, minus HBr. Therefore what is the product here? CS3 remains as it is, CS3. Now we are breaking this double bond Br and hydrogen. Now there is a formation of what? Double bond between these two, carbon and carbon. Therefore what? CH3 CH CH CS3. Therefore it is what? CH3 CH double bond CH CS3. It is a 2-butene. It is what? 2-butene. Now therefore 1-butene is a minor product and 2-butene is a major product. Why it is? Why it is? Therefore the major and minor product depends on Set-Zip rule. Therefore the major and minor products are depend on Set-Zip rule. यहाँ पे देखिए ये जो होगा ये 1-butene है and ये जो होगा 1 2. So therefore it is what? 2-butene. What Set-Zip rule says? In an elimination reaction, more substituted alkenes are the major product. In an elimination reaction, more substituted alkenes are major product. Now see here example of this. Now 2-bromo here 1 2 3. Therefore it is what? 2-bromo 2-methyl propane, 1 2 and 3. 2-bromo 2-methyl propane in presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Now see here this is a CS3, this is also a CS3, this is also a CS3, means all the protons on these carbons are same. Therefore you can replace one of them. Therefore take this CS3 we have considered here. Now alcoholic potassium hydroxide, we already know that there is a beta elimination. So it is a minus HBr. What happens here? CS3 remains at this is CS3C. So Br and hydrogen atom will be replaced and double bond will form here. Therefore CS3 C CS3 and double bond CH2. Therefore it is 1 2 3. It is 2-methyl propene. What is the product? It is a methyl propene. Now actually we have to, in the next example we will see how to apply a Sedgwick rule, or according to major and minor product depends on what major and minor products are depends upon a Sedgwick rule. So what is the Sedgwick rule? In an elimination reaction, more substituted alkenes are the major product. Now look this alkene. Now to this alkene there is a only one substituent here, only one. This is a one substituent to this alkene. Therefore, now to this alkene here, consider this alkene. There are how many substituents? This one methyl and this one is a methyl. Now there are two substituents are there. Therefore, in this case there are two substituents attached to the alkene. Therefore, it is a stable and the product is a major product. Now in the first one case there is a only one substituent, only one side there is a one substituent, therefore it is called as a therefore it is a minor product. Let's see the next example. So 2 bromo 2 methyl butane 1 2 3 4. It is a 2 methyl that is 2 bromo 2 methyl butane. Now already we know that first write down the products, then after that we will write the major and minor product. First write down the products. Now there are two types of protons. Now see here, this is a alpha. Now this one is a beta and also it is a beta. Therefore consider this one is a beta hydrogen and we have considered it is a beta dash hydrogen. Suppose there is a replacement of this HBr minus HBr, that is the hydrogen and bromine will be replaced. After that what happens, there is a formation of double bond. Break these two bonds and make this carbon carbon double bond. Now it is what CH2 double bond CH3. All the things are remains as it is, like minus beta dash HBr, it is what CH2 double bond CH3, and what happens, it is remains as it is, other part remains as it is, that is CH2 and CH3. Now next is next next there is a beta hydrogen. There is another possibility, we can replace this beta minus HBr so hydrogen, this hydrogen and bromine, these two bonds will be broken here in presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Now what happens here, CH3 as it is. Now there is a formation of double bond. This CH3 will be as it is here, this CH3 will be as it is, double bond is here, double bond is here. Now CH3 will be remains as it is. Now it is what CH3 double bond C, and this is a CH3. Therefore it is what 1 2 3 and 4. Therefore 2 methyl 2 butene, 2 methyl 2 butene is the major product, and therefore 2 methyl 1 butene, what is the name, it is 1 2 3 4. Therefore it is what 2 methyl 1 2 methyl 1 butene is a minor product. Why it is? Because see the substituents, what is the Sedgwick rule? In an elimination reaction, more substituted alkenes are major products. Therefore, what it is? Here to this alkene, one substituents and two substituents are there. Now next, see here to this alkene, here 1, 2 and 3 substituents. Therefore, it is a more substituted alkenes are what? Major product, or these are the stable one. So these are the examples. Now we will see next method to prepare alkenes from alcohols, that is dehydration. Dehydration means what? Just simple, there is a removal of minus H2O or removal of a water molecule. Now see here, alcohols on treatment with acid gives alkene. Alcohols on treatment with acid gives alkene. Now consider this a 1 propanol. Here in the last lecture we have seen, if you have taken a notes, then you will see there is a, instead of this hydroxyl group there was a bromine. Just we have to replace these two groups, that is hydrogen and hydroxyl groups, in presence of concentrated acid. therefore अल्कोहल, जो भी कोई अल्कोहल होगा, सो अल्कोहल का अगर आप एसिड के अगर साथ में ट्रीट करोगे तो वहां पे क्या होगा, दैट इज वाटर, वहां पे रिप्लेस होगा वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, वहां से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स विल बी replaced in this reaction. Therefore, see here, in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid minus, so what is the role of this concentrated sulfuric acid? It will give a proton here, that is OH will become H2O plus. यहाँ पे ये वाटर जो होगा ये जाने के बाद में क्या होगा, ये जाएगा इधर, ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा। सो पॉजिटिव चार्ज आने के बाद यहाँ पे क्या होगा, फिर से क्या होगा, सो यहाँ पे ये हाइड्रोजन ऐसे निकल कर जाएगा। तो ओवरऑल क्या जा रहा है यहाँ पे, ओवरऑल देयर इज अ रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ व्हाट, देयर इज अ रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ minus H2O, that is alcohols on treatment with acid to give alkenes, that is 1 propanol, that is 1 2 3 1 propanol on treatment with concentrated sulfuric acid gives what, propene, gives propene. So next example 2 propanol, here 2 propanol, 1 propanol and 2 propanol will give the same products because there is a only one type of proton. यहाँ पे देखिए ये साइड में क्या है, सो ये साइड में दिस इज अ प्राइमरी, also this one is a primary, so you can either way you can replace the hydrogen atom. Therefore there is a, in presence of what, concentrated sulfuric acid, there is a minus H2O. Now these two bonds will be broken and there is a formation of carbon carbon double bond. Therefore it is what, CH3 CH double bond CH2, therefore it is a propene. So what are the questions? How will you prepare propene from propanol? So one propanol they will give, or they will give a two propanol. You can take any one of these two. Either you can take one propanol or a two propanol, and just we have to add a concentrated sulfuric acid. Then we will get what, propene as a product. So next example we will see here. Uh, Now see, this is a 1 2 3 2 methyl 2 propanol. What it is? 1 2 methyl 2 propanol. Simple. You can these 1 2 3, these three hydrogen atoms are the same. Therefore you can replace any one of these in presence of a concentrated sulfuric acid. Now we will replace this माइनस H2O, अगर ये जा रहा है निकल रहा है तो क्या होगा, यहाँ पे ये डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म होगा. सो व्हाट इट इज, CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड CH2, तो क्या होगा, ये 2 मिथाइल प्रोपीन. व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट, इट इज ए 2 मिथाइल प्रोपीन. नेक्स्ट वी विल सी हियर, नेक्स्ट ये जो अगर आप अच्छी तरह से लास्ट एग्जांपल आपने किए होंगे डिहाइड्रोहाइलोजेनेशन में, तो ये सेम है, उसकी सिमिलर ही रहेगा. therefore see here, there are also two types of protons. Here it is a primary and this one is a secondary. Now when we replace this minus beta dash H2O, then there is a formation of double bond. Here C H2 double bond CH3, and all this group will be remains as it is. Now it is CH2 double bond CH3 and this group remains as it is. Now let's see the next, there is another possibility. Now there is another beta hydrogen. Here it is a beta hydrogen. Now this, there is another possibility, this minus H2O will be there. Now there is a formation of what, carbon carbon double bond. Here it is what, this CH3 CH double bond CH CH3, and this one is a remains as it is CH3. Now what happens here, CH3, ये CH3 as it is रहेगा, यहाँ पे दोनों ये निकल के जा रहा है तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा, ये CH3 एज इट इज, ये CH3 एज इट इज. नाउ here, now there are two types of product, major and minor. This one is a minor and the next is a major product. Why it is the same thing, that is we have to apply here a Sergip rule. What is the Sergip rule? In an elimination reaction, more substituted alkenes or olefins are the major product. Now see here, what are the substituents to this alkene? This is a alkene. Now to this alkene there is a one substituent and this one is another substituent. Two substituents are there. So now look at this alkene. Now there is a one, two and three substituents. Therefore there are तीन नंबर ज्यादा है तो there are three substituents. Therefore this one is a major product and first one it is a minor product. Now let's try this example. Try the another example. Pause the video and try yourself and write down the major and minor products. Now it is what, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 2-methyl 2-butanol. 2-methyl 2-butanol. Okay, now this one and this one, these are the two examples. Just there is a reagent is different, that is Al2O3 aluminum trioxides or aluminum oxides. You can take also concentrated sulfuric acid, or either you can take a aluminum oxides. You can take the result will be same. Therefore just we have to remember that the major, which one is a major and minor product according to Setzip rule. Okay, thank you all. In the next video lecture we will see the other methods to prepare alkenes.